Let's make chocolate lava cake. To make this recipe, you're gonna need 4 eggs, specifically 2 eggs and 2 yolks, 2 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour works just fine, and bittersweet chocolate. I prefer Schadenberger, this is not sponsored, but you need bittersweet chocolate. You need 6 ounces of bittersweet chocolate, half a cup of butter, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. You're going to transfer this into your bowl, and now you're going to cut your butter into quarters. My bowl with the chocolate and butter. You're gonna want a pot where you can put the bowl in without it sinking fully. Now let's make our egg mixture. So let's get started. Check on our chocolate, mix it a little bit with the spatula. Quarter cup of sugar. Let's get whisking. Let's mix this all together. Now we're gonna add our flour. To make it really smooth, we're going to sift our flour into the mixture. There we go. We're gonna mix it all together. We don't want any streaks. And we're gonna clean the sides of our bowl so we get all this batter into one spot. And that's it. Our batter is done. For the baking process, you're gonna want 4 to 6 ramekins. I'm gonna use probably 4, but it's really up to your choice. I'm using 4-ounce ramekins. There are only a few things that could go wrong, and one is if your cake sticks to your ramekin, and 2, if you overbake your cake. We're gonna make sure that doesn't happen. So we're gonna get a stick of butter and put it around these ramekins and make sure everything is all buttery. Everything. No spaces can be left not buttery. You're gonna take your butter and just really put your hands into this ramekin to get it all buttery. This is the most important step of this dish. Take a small piece of butter on your finger, put it in the corner, and make sure the corners are all buttery. Can't have any spot be left unbuttered. We're gonna add cocoa powder. Let's sift in some cocoa powder. Just put a little bit right there. And this will make sure everything is buttered evenly. And just tap it around every place. You can look inside, you could see me tapping it. And then, when you're done, just go like this and tap it. And boom. Now you're ready for the batter to get put inside a ramekin. Let's do this 3 more times. I poured the batter into the ramekins, and now I'm waiting for the oven to preheat to 450 degrees. We're going to put the ramekins into the oven at 450 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes, and after that, I'll show you how to check if your lava cakes are ready or not. So to check if your lava cakes are fully done, you're going to take one and jiggle it. If it jiggles a little bit in the center, you know it is ready. Now that we have our lava cake, we're just gonna take a spoon and tap it. And voila, you have your lava cake.